Moreh Police की SDPO Chingtham Anandakumar Hatpada Chennaba Singh Khangba Ngamle haina Manipur leingak की Security Advisor Kuldiep Singh na phongdokhre wafam asing asi SDPO Chingtham Anandakumar की thawai yaudraba hakchang stat की thakta ikai khumnaba utpa amadi leikidrabagi mafamda leisu katpagi thoramga mari lainana paumi Singh da phongdokhibani Security Advisor Kuldiep na makata na hai ngarangi thodok adu yamna laibak thiba thodok amani thodok adu gi makha tarakpada Manipur Police की team Singh Moreh tamna changsinbada ambush tawraktuna security personnel ahum soki madugi matungda akhanaba commando gi personnel humfurom yauna security personnel gi team ama ngarang amasung ngasigi lonaba nongyai matungda Moreh town yoksinba ngamkhre nakal amaromda Moreh lambida athing balairamba adusu haujikti leitre SDPO Anandakumar gi mihat aduda Chennaba Singh kana no haiba Khangba Ngamle haiba wafam phongdokpaga loinana makha taba investigation sathari haina su mahangna paumi Singhda phongdokhi.
We have sent forces by road, though there were some ambush on the road where 3 boys got injured, but after that they have been sent, and in the night all security forces escorted approximately 60 commandos and other forces. They have gone there, and whatever blockade they had created in Moreh, that has been removed yesterday itself. Combined SF's raid is going on, and we have also identified who was the person who basically the group which indulged in this kind of activity. The investigation is on, and we are in a we hope that we will be able to arrest them very quickly.